It took me just a couple of hours to turn a basic FPS template into a completely different experience, and now I can change it, add new features and experiment with gameplay without needing a 5-person development team. You may have heard of Aura, an AI game development agent that works directly inside Unreal Engine. Instead of just generating code and leaving you to figure out the rest, Aura can understand your project, make changes, build new gameplay systems, test them, change blueprints, animations and create completely new meshes from the 3D images and more. Let me show you how I completely redesigned the arena, added custom bullets, created flaming and glowing enemies, generated a brand new weapon and added it to the existing weapon system, something that could easily take hours of manual work. So let's build a game by simply talking to it. To install Aura to Unreal Engine, just go to the link in the description, download it, and just make sure that in the installation process you choose your Unreal Engine version. After that, open Unreal Engine, go to Edit, Plugins, type Aura, enable it, and restart the engine. You can click here to open Aura chat, but to have it handy on the right side, go to Windows, select Aura, and you will be able to dock it to the right or anywhere you want. Just log in and you are ready to go. In here you can choose the agent you want to use for different purposes, and also to choose between Ask, Plan and Agent mode. As always, I like to jump right into the action and type something in, but I figured this later. You will get better and faster results if you first go to Plan and Ask mode, and only when you are ready to execute, go to the Agent mode. Over here in the plan mode, I ask Aura to tell me if it is possible to make a simple weapon selection system, so when I press 1, 2 or 3, I select pistol, rifle or grenade launcher. It will give you a step-by-step instructions on what it is going to make and some options, and when you are ready just type in do it, and in a few moments we are able to change our weapons by pressing 1, 2 or 3 and save like 20 hours in development, which is absolutely crazy. Next, I'm going to download some free materials from Fab and ask Aura to change the grenade launcher grenade default material into this dissolve material I just downloaded. Just type in the chat the names of the assets you want to change, and Aura will find it in the project and replace the textures for you. So after a few moments the texture of my grenade was replaced, looking awesome, but I also wanted the explosion to be different, so I gave an Aura prompt to replace the explosion. And as you can see, my bullet and explosions are now changed. All this without me ever touching the material editor. While you're working with Aura, make sure to check out your context usage, and here and there you can compress and reorganize the current context, keeping the important information while removing or summarizing unnecessary details. Since this works like a charm, I got the motivation to also change the bullets of my pistol and rifle. First, I will change the pistol bullet to be green and glowing. But it changed the bullet texture to be green and dissolved, which is not what I wanted. And also it changed rifle bullets wrong. So you just go back and tell Aura to fix that. Sometimes you will run into things like this, but make sure to write a better prompt from start, not like me, or just return and quickly fix it with the new prompt. And in the second run, you can see in the content browser on the left that Aura created emissive materials that we'll use for our bullets. And when the work is done, we hit play and it works fantastically, except it's not a sphere but a cylinder, but it's fine for now. And if I pick up a rifle, we can see a nice round blue plasma balls. Since Aura is doing a great job for now, I want to push it a little further. I want to replace the textures of our weapons. I downloaded the free metal pack materials from Fab Marketplace, and although you can just tell the name of the materials in the chat, you can also drag and drop assets to the chat and create references to those assets so the Aura can know exactly which assets to work with. I sent the prompt, but the result is not good at all, but one great thing is that I got some instructions from Aura on how to fix it in a few seconds. So let's test out instructions and see how Aura is good in this department. It says that all I need to do is to open the material and enable used with skeletal mesh option, apply it and save it. And if I hit play and go pick up weapons, we got some crazy metal textures applied. Aura did the great job as instructor, and I must say that I'm really excited about this and definitely planning to use it to save some time in my own game development. I'm really in the mood right now, so let's go further to see how Aura will change materials on multiple objects and change the look and feel of this first-person template level. And after that I will change these yellow walls into metallic from our Fab download that we used for our guns. You can see that I was able to just drag and drop to replace it myself, but I want to test Aura to see how it works on tasks like this. And as expected, it replaced our materials perfectly, and I will do the same for all other materials in the level. We will change other walls, this bridge and floor. After it's done, all I need to do manually is to open the material properties of our floor and change the tiling so it looks a little bit better, and save and apply everything. And just like that, we completely changed the level design and atmosphere. And this was really easy, but here comes the interesting part, and that's telling Aura to completely generate a new weapon mesh. It will be a shotgun. We will add textures, and we will include shotgun in the weapon system so it's available when we press 4, and also change the bullet spread and add spawn location in the level and position it in the player hand. Lots of work ahead, and let's see how Aura is handling this pretty complex task. First step, I will change to an advanced model. Let's go with the Gemini, although Sonnet is also okay. I will prompt Aura to create an image of a shotgun and turn it into a game-ready mesh. Okay, I run into some errors, so my NPC is now holding shotgun like they don't know how to use it. I need to fix that. So a little bit more prompting, and also I got 2 shotguns on myself when I picked it up, so I need to fix that also. And finally, I need to position it properly in my hands. And after a little bit more prompting, we can see the result, and since this was a pretty complex task, Aura did the job actually really well. I could give myself a little extra work to fit it better in the hand, but sorry guys, I don't care about it right now, I want to see enemies burning. But before that, let's quickly add some atmosphere. As usual, just give the prompt and check out the results, tweak a bit if you want. And I will quickly add some post-processing volume, enable infinite extent unbound to affect the whole world, and play a little bit with the contrast of the midtones in the post-process volume. Also tweak an exponential high fog to add a bit of depth in the level, and test it out and see how good it looks with just tweaking a few parameters in Unreal Engine. And the next step that I was excited to try is to put fire on my enemies so they chase me while burning. I downloaded the fire VFX from Fab and reference it to the Aura and tell Aura to add fire to our NPC enemies. Also, I downloaded some extra glowing sci-fi materials that I will use later, because I knew that fire enemies would be too much, but who cares, right? After a few moments, when the job is finished, I can hit play and see my burning NPCs seeking and attacking me, which is super fun and super creepy to see. But as I said, it's completely overkill, so I need to tune down a bit and replace NPC skin with another material and see how it works. I tell Aura to replace material with the new one, and after the job is done, I get my new and glowing sci-fi energy enemies. Also, I decided to change 2 of the wobble targets to the glowing material to add some atmosphere to the arena. And as you can see, this is a final result after just a few hours of goofing around with Aura. What started as a basic FPS template is now a completely different game, with a redesigned arena, custom weapons, new enemies and new gameplay systems. And most of it was built simply by telling Aura what I wanted. If you want to try Aura yourself, you can get a free 2-week trial with unlimited usage. Just check out the link in the description and start building with it. And if you want to see more of AI game development experiments, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.